Ito ang aking fuel cell, Mascardo fuel cell. If I switch on this cell, you can see the hydrogen going up, coming up from that seal. See, if I switch off, then here is automatic stop. If I switch on the switch of my shell, see, it's create hydrogen. This is Mascardo water fuel. You see this seal, this is made by Mascardo fuel cell. Now, see, I stop creating hydrogen, but if I switch on, there will create hydrogen automatic. See, this is the new water fuel of Mascardo. See, it create hydrogen, and see this cold, very very cold. The glass is very cold. The water inside very cold. So this is a better fuel. We'll see you next time.